Hello guys, welcome. Okay, today I want to talk about an actress that I love very much, whom I love actually. Because in this channel, one of the things that I'm talking is languages and learning languages. So, watching movies is a way of improving your English. It's an enjoyable way that many people love. One of the actresses that I want to mention is Jodie Foster. Jodie Foster, I'm sure you know her. She has many great movies. One of her famous movies is The Silence of the Lambs. She played in it and she's one of the main characters, as well as Anthony Hopkins. Anthony Hopkins is very scary in that movie. I mean, both of them played insanely beautiful, unbelievable. And the movie, won many prizes. Prizes, and in Oscar, Golden Globe, and other film areas, film competitions actually. Jodie Foster is very lovely. Even she has some master class that she teaches about directing films, because as well as being an actress, she's a director as well. She has some films of her own. Recently she got a winning prize in Cannes, honorary one. They gave it to her because of many years of attempt in cinema and her wonderful roles in different movies. For example, when she was very young, I can't remember exactly how old she was, she played in A Taxi Driver. If I'm not mistaken, it is directed by Martin Scorsese. Yes, please leave in the comment if I'm not mistaken. And Robert De Niro played in it, I'm sure of it. Robert De Niro played in it, and Jodie Foster is very young and she's a teenager in the movie. And even I read somewhere that her twin sister played in the movie as well, for maybe a part, or I don't know, I'm not sure. Identical twin or not identical twin. So, but there are two movies that I love about her. Maybe they are not as famous as The Silence of the Lamb and Taxi Driver and her other movies, but I love them very much and I watch them many times. I recommend them to you guys. One of them is Panic Room, and one of them is Flight Plan. They are somehow scary movies to some extent, and they are so exciting and you become exhilarated and astonished and zealous and shocked by watching them, and your adrenaline, it's full of exciting moments. So the first one is Panic Room. Panic Room, just I give a very short line about this movie. I don't want to spoil the movie, because some of you haven't watched it yet. Panic Room is about a woman and her child, her daughter, who is played by Kristen Stewart. She was very young in that movie as well, like Jodie Foster in Taxi Driver, but maybe Kristen Stewart is a bit older than Jodie Foster in that movie. But she's very young, and she plays the daughter of Jodie Foster, the mother in this movie, and she goes to a new house, and many things happens there, so I don't want to spoil anything for you. Both of them plays very I mean so great in this movie, and you will be scared to death in some scenes. And you know, it has a little bit, I mean not a little, maybe more than a little bit violence in the movie, so children mustn't watch it, or if they watch it, it has to be with the guidance of the parents, and from maybe an age above it is recommended. And if you are those people, I mean if you have sleeping problems, don't watch it at night. Maybe it's better watch it in the daylight. But if you watch it in a night, it will be more exciting, I mean, you know. So this is one of the movies I love. And another movie is as you can understand from the title, Flight Plan. It happens in the I mean airplane, you know, so it's kind of movies that happens in the sky, and you know, lots of shocking moments, exciting moments, and with lots of an airplane with lots of passengers. And the woman again, she has a very little child, maybe 6 years old, but the famous person is Jodie Foster in the movie. I can't recall all the names, but there are famous people acted in it. But the main character is Jodie Foster herself, and she wants to travel from Germany to America, and her husband died, and it is not a spoiler because it happens at the beginning of the movie. So she wants to bring the dead body of her husband there, and she and her daughter are on the airplane, and many unexpected events happens, maybe you can guess. And then there are lots of, I mean shocking moments that even us as viewers can't guess, maybe the end of the movie or many things in the movie, even in other movie as well, you know, you can't maybe guess the end of the movie, and maybe you can. So please watch these two movies and tell me your opinion. Have you watched them? If you watched them, do you like them? And if there are any movie by Jodie Foster that you can recommend me to watch it, please tell me. And there are other movies by Jodie Foster that I watched as well. But you know, I like these two movies. Whenever I need some kind of excitement in my life, I watch these two movies. And so please watch them and tell me your opinion. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like them, give it a 2 thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you all.